Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anastasia, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I wash my hair in Minitwists. So a lot of you have been asking me how I maintain my hair in Minitwists, so I'm just going to share with you my wash day routine while on Minitwists. So right now my hair doesn't even look dirty, but you see as I wash it I have a lot of product buildup. So yeah, I'll go ahead and soak my hair with water and then use my DIY black soap and flaxseed shampoo. I have a video on this shampoo on my channel. You can check the link in the description box. I just rinsed out the first shampoo, and as you can see I still have a lot of product buildup, so I normally end up washing my hair about 3 times to make sure that it's perfectly clean. So I have to go in again with my shampoo and just keep washing my hair until all the product buildup is out. I have low porosity hair, so I'm always having a lot of product buildup. After washing off the shampoo, I'll go ahead and apply my cleansing conditioner, and I'll leave it on for about 5 minutes and then I'll rinse it off. So it's time to apply my Ayurveda hair mask on my hair, and I'll be using hibiscus and amla mixed together. I have separate videos on how you can use this Ayurvedic hair powders on your hair to strengthen your hair and also to promote growth. So you want to check that out. I'll leave the links in my description box. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and apply the mask thoroughly to my scalp and my hair, and then cover it with a plastic bag and let it sit there for about 3 to 4 hours before I rinse it off. So I just washed out the hair mask and this is how my hair looks. My hair looks pretty clean. As you can tell, my scalp is shiny. And yeah, so that's how I wash my hair, and I'll just proceed to apply my products to my hair. So for a conditioner or a leave-in conditioner, I'll be using the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream as my leave-in conditioner because my leave-in conditioner got finished and I haven't had time to go get some. So yeah, this is what I'll be using. To seal in the moisture, I'll just go ahead and use this Hair Wonder butter to seal in the moisture, and I'm going to concentrate, or I'm going to apply more of the butter on my ends. You know, the ends are the oldest parts of your hair, so you want to take special care of them. So yeah, I'm just going to add a little bit more product to my ends. So I let my hair dry overnight. My hair takes quite some time to dry, like 2 days. So yeah, when my hair is completely dry, I just go ahead and style it the way I want. And yeah, so that's how you can maintain your hair in Minitwists. This is a very nice protective style because you can still assess your scalp. You can still do the treatments that you want. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.